Hey, space fans, think you know everything about the universe? Well, think again. Today we've got 10 mind-blowing space facts that will leave you totally speechless. Buckle up because it's about to get cosmic. 1. The universe is expanding faster than ever. Galaxies are flying away from each other at an accelerating rate. Imagine a balloon inflating, except it's the whole universe. But wait, what's making the universe speed up? Keep watching to find out. 2. Ever wonder how massive our sun is? You could fit over 1,000,000 Earths inside it. It's that huge, and it makes up 99.86% of our solar system's mass. But trust me, there are stars out there that make the sun look like a tiny dot. Want to see them? Keep watching. 3. Here's a crazy one. Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther from the sun. With temperatures reaching up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, Venus is basically one giant oven. And get this, Venus has days that last longer than its years. Let me explain in a sec. 4. A day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, but it only takes 225 Earth days for the planet to orbit the sun. So one full rotation is longer than an entire orbit around the sun. How wild is that? Want to know why space is totally silent? It's coming up next. 5. Here's something you might not expect. Space is totally silent. Since there's no air to carry sound, space is a vacuum, meaning no sounds whatsoever. But space can still be extremely loud in other ways. Let me show you what I mean. 6. Imagine a planet made entirely of diamonds. That's what scientists think 55 Cancri E might be like. It's a super hot exoplanet, and due to the intense pressure, its surface could be covered with carbon diamonds. But diamonds aren't the only thing out there. Let's talk about a place so dense, it defies imagination. 7. Neutron stars are mind-bogglingly dense. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. These stars are so compact, they can compress a star's mass into a sphere just 12 miles wide. And speaking of heavy stuff, Jupiter has a storm so massive it can swallow the Earth. Wait until you see this. 8. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm so big it could fit Earth inside it, and it's been raging for more than 400 years non-stop. It's one of the most powerful storms in the solar system. Ready for something that weighs less? Yeah, the moon can do that. Here's how. 9. On the moon, you'd weigh just 1/6 of what you do on Earth. That's because the moon's gravity is so much weaker. Imagine floating around like you're in slow motion. Let's finish with something truly heartwarming, and it's on Pluto. 10. Pluto may have been downgraded, but it still has a huge heart. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft discovered a giant, heart-shaped nitrogen ice field on Pluto.